Where are we going right now?
We're gonna go pick something up.
Stay tuned. All right, so we just got to a car dealership. In the comments, what car do you think this guy just bought? Oh snap. Oh snap. Nah. Nah, he got the CT. Okay. 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 Welcome to the Tesla family. Okay.
Oh my God, I got a bird poop on it already.
Okay, I see you. Congratulations on the Cybertruck. Oof, this thing is fresh.
But in the meantime, 4 years, be patient, keep doing what you're doing.
All right, so Pops just got the brand new Cybertruck. How are we feeling?
All right, this thing is mammoth, but looking forward to driving it.
All right, we're gonna go charge this thing up, and then when you guys see this video, the color that you just saw outside, are you gonna keep it that color, or what are you gonna do with it?
Now we're gonna surprise you with another color.
All right, so follow us for the next, or follow the next couple of minutes, because we're gonna change this entire outlook of the Cybertruck. Evan, you excited to get dropped off in school with this?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
If we can fit through the window, if we can fit through the gates.
All right, follow us. How we feeling?
This thing rides so damn smooth.
Yeah.
But, my God, it's like a spaceship.
After you go Tesla, you never go back.
Oh man, it's like a big old golf cart.
I like it. All right, let's see if he can park this thing.
Hey, what's up everyone? Hey, we just got the Cybertruck. As you can see, stainless steel, but is it gonna stay stainless steel? Probably not. We'll have a color change in about a week and a half, so stay tuned for that.
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's super beautiful.
Appreciate it.
It's such a better white. It's that nice, elegant.
It's not that flat satin white.
No.
We are dropping off the Cybertruck at JMG Tints. Shout out to my boy Jeremy. This is the last time you will see it this color. See you in a few days. All right, we are out here at JMG Tints. We are about to do the Cybertruck reveal of the wrap. And we're gonna get my dad's first impression from this, so let's go.
Welcome to JMG Tint and Wraps. We have Armando here, one of a good friend of mine's father. He wanted to get a whole bunch of things done to his Cybertruck, so we went and took care of it. One of the first things we did was we put the tint on it, obviously. We put ceramic tint. You have to go ceramic with all these big windows. It's gonna really help with the heat rejection. And then after that, we did a full car wrap, frozen vanilla. It's a beautiful color. You're really gonna love it when we reveal it. And then the topper on it, we put PPF to protect it. We put PPF on the front bumper, the hood, as well as the doors. All of this is necessary for Tesla Cybertruck because that's the areas that are gonna get the most impact damage, so it's the best place to have protection. And then obviously, whenever we do a full car wrap, we always recommend getting a ceramic coating. It makes it easier for you to wash the car, and it also makes sure that the film lasts as long as it can. So Armando, you ready to see?
We're ready, man. It's been a good week. Let's check it out.
Let's go. Pull the wrap.
Whoa, yeah. Look at that, baby. Woo.
First reaction.
Yeah, let's go, man. That is fire.
You see
That is fire.
You can actually see, like, if you stand over it,
You can see
the gold.
Yep.
It's a beautiful gold flaking.
Oh, I'm sure in the daytime. Huh. Nice.
That's what it looks like. And then it should always look like it's beating up. That's how you know it's properly done. And then again.
So it just runs right off the car.
Vince first needed to come out with it.
You're good here?